Want to set different text message sound on your iPhone? It's easy to do. In this video, I'll show you how to change your text message sound so you can choose a tone that suits you. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Change text message sound in Settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Notification, scroll down, find out Message app, open this app from here. Once you come here, scroll down, tap Sounds. Here you need to choose only tone that you want to set for the message only. Your select sounds will tap Sounds and Haptics. Here you can select a new tone from the list. Tap on a tone to preview it. Once you've found a sound you like, tap back to save your selection. So that's how you can change your text message sound on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.